Welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2014 Yamaha. This is a T50, so this will be a pontoon model to high thrust. This one had 152 hours, so pretty low hours on it. Compression came back at 150 PSI on all 4 cylinders. It will come with the prop that's on it. It'll come with a brand new OEM Yamaha control box. We did new spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new power head oil, new fuel filter, and new lower unit lube. Pressure tested the lower unit. Pressure came back good, didn't have any leaks or anything like that. So we're all good there. We'll go ahead and fire it up here. There's a second here. Pissing good water. Reverse. This did come off a 2014 Bennington. The guy actually upgraded to a 150 horse on a 24-foot pontoon. 50 horse is just not enough. Go ahead and shut it off here. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.